In this video, we will learn how to copy a file using command prompt or CMD. For that, we will press the Windows key here and search here CMD and press enter. This is our command prompt where we will run our command. First of all, we will go to our desktop here. For that, we will type here cd space desktop and press the enter. Now we are in our desktop. These are the files in my desktop right now. Now I will create a new file here. Suppose I am creating a text document. Suppose it is testing.txt. Okay. Now I will go to my desktop here, and this is the file testing.txt. Now I will make a copy of that file. For that, I will type here copy space and I will put the file name here testing.txt. Then I will give a space here and we need to name the new file here. Suppose it is new testing.txt, and I will press the enter. And now you can see there is a new file in my desktop, new testing.txt. Thus, you can copy a file using command prompt or CMD. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.